Dear learners, this is our first class of the topic matrices and determinants, and in this class we are going to learn about matrix and different types of matrices. Definition of a matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in m rows and n columns and enclosed by square brackets. In plural sense, a matrix is known as matrices. The journal form of a matrix of order or dimension m by n is usually written like this. Here A is the name of the matrix. Matrices are denoted by capital letters. A11, A12 and A13 etc. are the elements or entries of the matrix and these are denoted by small letters. Also, an element in its journal form is written as Aij, where I is the number of the row and j is the number of the column in which the element is placed. For example, A23 means that the given element lies in the second row and third column. M is the total number of rows of the matrix and N is the total number of columns of the matrix. This is a matrix, it has 2 rows and 3 columns, so we may say that it is a 2 by 3 matrix. Dimensions or order of a matrix is determined by the number of rows and columns it has. Thus, a matrix having m number of rows and n number of columns is said to have the dimensions or order m by n. Here the given matrix A is having 2 rows and 3 columns, therefore its dimensions or order will be written as 2 by 3 and it may also be called as a 2 by 3 matrix. Sometimes it may also be written as simply capital A and its order or dimensions 2 by 3. Types of matrices. The first type is the rectangular matrix. A matrix where the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is known as the rectangular matrix. For example, the given matrix A is a rectangular matrix of the order or dimensions 2 by 3. Here the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns, that is, m is not equal to n. The second type is the square matrix. A matrix where the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is known as the square matrix. For example, the given matrix A is a square matrix of the order or dimensions 3 by 3. Here the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, that is m is equal to n. Here the elements 2, 3 and 5 are called as the diagonal elements, that is the elements Aij where I is equal to j. Also, the imaginary line passing through these elements is known as the diagonal or principal diagonal of a matrix. The next type is the diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix where all the elements except the diagonal elements are equal to 0. For example, the given matrix A is a diagonal matrix of the order or dimensions 3 by 3. Here Aij is equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Scalar matrix. It is a diagonal matrix which is also a square matrix where all the diagonal elements are same. For example, the given matrix A is a scalar matrix of the order or dimensions 3 by 3. We can see that all the diagonal elements are same. Here Aij is same for I is equal to j and Aij is equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Next type is the identity or unit matrix. It is a scalar matrix which is also a square as well as a diagonal matrix where all the diagonal elements are equal to unity or 1. It is always denoted by the letter capital I. For example, the given matrix I is a scalar matrix of the order or dimensions 3 by 3. It is denoted as I3. Here Aij is equal to 1 for I is equal to j and Aij is equal to 0 for I not equal to j. Null matrix or zero matrix. It is a matrix where all the elements are equal to 0. It may be a square matrix or a rectangular matrix. It is always denoted by the letter O. For example, the given matrix is a zero or null matrix of the order 2 by 2. Here all Aij is equal to 0. Row matrix. It is a matrix which has only a single row and n number of columns. For example, the given matrix A is a row matrix of the order 1 by 4. Here for all Aij, I is equal to 1. Column matrix. It is a matrix which has m number of rows but only a single column. For example, the given matrix A is a column matrix of the order 4 by 1. Here for all Aij, J is equal to 1. Next is the upper triangular matrix. A square matrix is known as an upper triangular matrix when all its elements below the principal diagonal are equal to 0. For example, the given matrix A is an upper triangular matrix of the order 3 by 3. Here Aij is equal to 0 for all I greater than J. Lower triangular matrix. A square matrix is known as a lower triangular matrix when all its elements above the principal diagonal are equal to 0. For example, the given matrix A is a lower triangular matrix of the order 3 by 3. Here Aij for I less than j are equal to 0. Thanks for joining the class. Wish you safe and happy learning.